Welcome to our tutorial on how to post long videos on WhatsApp status. 1. Open your App Store and search for TixEasy Video Splitter. 2. Install and open it. Click on Split Video. 3. Now select the video that you want to split. 4. Now it will give you two options. Select Proceed if you want a video with app's watermark on it, or you can select to watch ad for a video without watermark. 5. Now click on Split. Tap on Save Videos. It will save all 3 videos in your gallery. 8. Now go to WhatsApp status section and select all the videos that you have split using the app and share by clicking the arrow. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to post long videos on WhatsApp status. Thank you for watching our guide.